Let me read some question in a little bit. That's it. And then that's all you need. If you need more, you can add more colors on it. I just want a few colors for the springtime. And using the crystal picker and just sort it. I am going to apply blossom gels. Hey Chi, thank you so much. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. Great. And do not cure yet. And if you want to get spread faster, you can cure it. You can apply it a little bit thicker, but if you want to spread slow, you can do the blossom gel thinner. So I'm gonna pick up some of the designs. And just let it flow itself. Great. So I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And with that one, you can either do with the foil. If you want to do a foil, I'm going to show you how you can do the foil. And then so again, for the questions is, we have the question right here. Your nail art display, how do you attach the nail to the doorknob? Is it latch screws? No. You don't need anything at all. Basically, just use hands. I just use hands and just a screwdriver. It doesn't have to have anything. It's just like this. This is your tip and trick when we're waiting for the nails. I'm using a drawer knob. That's I show tip and tricks on how you display all your nails, beautiful nails, and basically just use hand and twist it. All right, so that's nail is good. I'm gonna put the top coat on. No wipe top coat. And I'm gonna do some foil on it as well. If you don't wanna do a foil gels, then you can just draw the painting on it. But if you want the veins with the foil, you make sure you put the top coat on and you key it. I forgot, I can do the gel painting on it. It looks good as well. The gel painting, I would really like it. Hello, Instagram. Just want to say hello to everyone. Hey, Mick, how are you? Thanks so much, beautiful concepts, hair. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope everyone have a great Monday. Can you please, you have not the premium ones, the regular ones, I don't know. Great. Good. Good to hear you doing good. All right, so I have my palettes right here. I'm gonna using IHO Transfer Foil, the regular IHO Transfer Foil. And this transfer foil do not cure for 30 seconds. You have to cure completely full cure 60 seconds on a really proper cure lamp. We're using cure sky lamp right now. So if you're using some other sort of lamp, a good manufacturer lamp, then make sure you cure good 60 seconds. It's not 30 seconds or it's not 50 seconds or 10 seconds. You make sure you have to cure it completely for 60 seconds. So I'm gonna using this tinted brush, and I am going to draw the veins. Let's go vein right here. You can see that. So I coat that top coat first before I do the transfer foil gel, because you don't want to have a transfer foil is clear and you apply the foil on it, it might stick into the residues of sticky layer of a blossom gel. So let cure for 60 seconds on this transfer foil. And I just use transfer foil gels. Hey, we're excited to make, and I have is the foil that I did it earlier. We did good today, everyone. So it's like 3 nails already. So we're gonna have 1 more nail to do. So it's fun. So then you can name it the themes again before we have 30,000 followers giveaway. Thank you so much for every single of you for your love and support. And if any questions, always DM us with regarding to the products. You can DM us or you can email us if you need immediately assistance at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And in the meantime, I'm waiting for the nails to be clear 60 seconds. Okay, everyone? If you're using a IHO transfer foil, you're gonna make sure you cure for 60 seconds. And this is the nails from last night, the Saturday nights that we did. So then you can still name them and we can be announced the winner tonight. We're not gonna going live tonight, but we're gonna announce the winner tonight. This look, last Saturday. All right, let's go in and using the IHO transfer foil and the vein. Make sure you press it firmly. This is all question for who is that? One of 2 of you was earlier. I couldn't read that, but I will try to answer you for, okay, money back, I answer you. Okay, so if you are, thank you so much, money back. If you are Vax Lex, if you are here, here's a look for you for transfer foil using IHO transfer foil. And the ones I did it before was premium IHO transfer foil. So either ones work great. You just need to cure 60 seconds for this one, okay? Remember, cure 60 seconds. And the premiums I hold 30 seconds under any LED lamp. But if this one, you have to keep it under proper lamp, which is a really a good lamp. If your lamp are rechargeable, make sure your lamp is completely charged, so then it will not affecting your keying process. And also that it's make sure that the bulbs is still really working. Some of them might dead or be out. It's happened to me. It's at my salons as well. I've experienced of that. And if my lamps, the chalks were really weak and only 1 or 2 bars, it doesn't do a full job that I expect it to does, to do. So then that's why it affects my keying. Also the same with iHo. If there's couple of my lamp have to do it away. If you not have a good lamp or like a decent lamp, then you have a couple of the bulbs is not curing properly, then it will affect your transfer foil. But I do it because of you. I do it for you, so you can see that how easy it transfer from using both different transfer foil gels. We always doing a premium iHo transfer foil for the live tutorial because it will get us really is in good, so show you more than just one nails, just for that purpose, not because we don't believe in the other ones. So it works great. It just had to be caution of what you're using and just the idea of what type of lamp you're using. But we're always using premiums because it will get us really quick and fast, so then we can move to the next one. We can do it for you, more designs. Also, if you are in the salon, you want to do it really good, quick, and don't have to worry about. I would pay a little bit, few dollars more, and get the premiums iHo transfer foils. Is really easy, and it's for us at the salon. If I work at, and it's helped so much, and it go faster. Which is we don't want to rush a customer, but then if you are having a client that wants designs, and you don't want to spend so much time waiting for each nail to be cured for 60 seconds, I would do 30 seconds for the premium iHo. So I am going to apply the no wipe top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. And this nail going to be completely done unless you want something else. But I will cure it for 60 seconds. Hope everyone have a great Monday. We are so excited today because we did 3 nails already. It's so stunning. So next we're gonna do a dragon scale. So I'm gonna do a dragon scales, and I will do half a dragon scale on the nails, and then half will be your crystal diamond dust pixie. Thank you, Sona Nail. Hey, Sona Nails. Hope I answered the questions, and I got all of you here. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. I hope it helped. Let me make sure I go to everybody. Oh, thank you so much, Dope Nails by Auto. Thank you so much. We can't wait to see you do create with the beautiful treasure box. I want to see your pencil. Oh, this one, this means pencil. This one, this is the picker. This nail are completely done. Great, so I have 3 nails. So let's go into the next nails. Show one more showing.